putting their water buckets out keeps them from taking baths on freezing cold days and making a muddy, slippery, icy mess in their coop. Everybody can get their heads through the chain link to take a drink. And even though it looks like they have trouble, they don't. They can go to that one square right up above, just a little bit above, and get a good long drink. Those buckets will be better than half empty by tomorrow. This bucket and this bucket. They have a bucket in the coop up on the loft where they could get a drink if they want to, but Bingo keeps that pretty locked down. She's high security.